Welcome to BATMACHINE. We are developing advanced manufacturing machinery for greener, more sustainable batteries. In this video, we showcase a demonstration of the slot die coater head, developed by our partner, FOM. Led by BATMACHINE partner TEKNIKER, the trial begins with a preparation phase. Specifically, the trial is conducted with scaled, lab test machinery. The technician ensures that the slurry is well mixed, and the slot die head is aligned. In this trial environment, the slurry is fed to the machinery through a syringe. Our water-based slurry mix has been designed and developed by partner Leclanche. Conducted in the roll-to-plate method, the trial is done with a scaled-down machinery utilizing the FOM-made head. The same FOM head will also be integrated in the BATMACHINE coater. Once the syringe is filled with it, the coating material is fed into the slot die head. The team has tried different slurry mix compositions. The final slurry formula was developed by SKZ, while the anode is from Leclanche and the cathode from Pomega. As the trial begins, we will observe the uniform application of the slurry onto the copper plate. This process ensures precision in layer thickness and consistency, key factors for high-performance battery electrodes. A closer look shows how the FOM-developed coater head maintains stable coating behavior throughout the whole process. The slot die coater operates with a high degree of control, enabling consistent thickness across long runs. The smooth movement and calibrated pressure of the slot die are crucial aspects of the design, as well as the coating flow and speed of application. These ensure quality and durability of the battery cell. The coating thickness will be monitored using a measuring system developed by SKZ, and it is the result of a fine balance between capacity and sustainability. Throughout the coating process, the system continuously monitors the parameters in real time. The operator can check the process and parameters through the machine interface, developed by partner Syntef. At the same time, sensors and control units work together to collect and adjust key process variables. This ensures repeatability and minimizes variation, an essential requirement for scaling up electrode production. Moreover, such systems allow a better control over parameters, resulting in great flexibility. In fact, different slurry mixes with different parameters can be used with BATMACHINE machinery. In this trial environment, the slurry syringe is set on an auto pump. Then, the auto pump feeds the mix to the machine, in a controlled and consistent way. Through the control panel, the operator provides the inputs for the coating to the machinery. Specifically, the software used for this trial has been developed in TEKNIKER. Once the coating is applied, the coated copper plate is put in an oven for drying. The slurry-coated copper plate serves as battery anode, while aluminium is utilized as cathode. Finally, the test concludes with a quality check. Firstly, the technician inspects the coated substrate for external defects or inconsistencies, while also checking the product's characteristics. Thanks to the engineering advancements made within the BATMACHINE project, the slot die coater delivers reliable, scalable, and industry-ready performance. Stay tuned with BATMACHINE for more updates on our machinery.